This week I'm adding focal images to my 4 art journal pages, and I like to use focal images to show the main point of the page that I'm working on. Sometimes I add none, one, or even several focal images, and I like to try out them in different positions before I commit to putting them in one place. This week I'm going to show you several different ways of adding focal images, and you don't need to be able to draw. Have fun. Here I'm using a picture I've downloaded from the internet of a horse that I liked, and I'm not going to use it to sell it or sell the art that I make from it, so I'm not too worried about the copyright aspects. I'm just going to trace the outlines of the image onto my black paper, so I'm scribbling on the back with a white neocoloured pen, and then I'm just going to trace over it with a ballpoint pen. And you can use this technique to make any of the images in the rest of the video, but I prefer drawing in some cases, so I don't reuse it again and again. I'm using heavy body acrylic here to create a bit more texture on the page, but you could use a normal acrylic and add matte or gloss medium to it. I'm adding string here, which I will stick to the butterflies, and then I can add written notes onto the string